What's up, guys? I wanted to make a video sharing my experience with the ARH 1 7/8 headers for 82 to 92 F-body. So the first thing I had to do, which you shouldn't have to do this in my opinion for a set of headers that cost this much money, but I like to make things more easy to work on, etc. So if you look at the primaries, I did have to peen some sections in with a ball peen hammer to allow my socket to fit on the bolts. It just makes assembly and disassembly easier. You don't necessarily have to do that, but it makes it a more pleasant experience to install. As far as the clearance on the steering shaft, you can see there's plenty of room here. Now this is the Astro steering shaft. I feel like if I was running the stock one, the clearance would be much less because it has that big bell down by the box there. So if you run the Astro shaft, you won't have no clearance issues. And then on the passenger side, if you look close here, you can see that little section. I had to clearance the heater box to get the primary to clear. It was actually rubbing that section of the box. But other than that, the install is straightforward. It's just bolting. Oh, the other thing I had to do was I didn't actually use the gaskets that were included with these headers because they would have leaked. So I would just recommend using a standard small block Chevy header gasket, manifold gasket, etc. So moving on, I'm looking forward to getting this thing fired up. I'm pretty excited. It should be a big difference from the stock TPI.